In this video, I'm gonna give you 6 presets for your Premiere Pro. With this help, you can animate your text, images or video clips and so on. And here you can see, the first one is 500 text presets. Inside these presets, you have 500 different kinds of presets. You can create different kinds of your text animations. The next one is character animation. With this help, you can create images animations, video clip animations, and the next one is essential presets. It has also different kinds of text animations and images animation, video animation presets. The next one is gaming subtitles. It has title animations. You can create different kind of title animation. And the next one is same. The last one is transitions. And now you can create transitions between your images, video clips in easy way. So I will give the link in the description below. First go ahead and download all of these 6 presets for your Premiere Pro and follow along with me. So now we are inside Premiere Pro, and first I will tell you how to import these presets inside Premiere Pro. And bro, don't skip any part of this video because every part is very important and this video is very informative. First, here you can see effects tab. If you are not looking this effect tab over here, you need to go window, and here you can see effects tab. You can also press shift 7 to enable this effects tab. Select this from here. After that, come over here. First right click and import presets, and locate your presets where you have placed and select them one by one. The first I will select this 500 text presets. Select this and click open. In this way you can import every presets inside Premiere Pro one by one. Okay, and now we have this inside over here. I have already imported these presets inside Premiere Pro, so therefore you are looking here. And here you can see it has 500 text animations back. It has different kinds of folder. Inside this folder you can see different kinds of folder. The first one is Bones text animation. Inside this folder you can see in animation, out animation. The next folder is cinematic text animation and glitch text animations and so on. So I will use only one presets from every folder. First I will use this Bones text animation. First I need text and right over and over here, and here you can see, and I have text over here. If you want to create start animation, you need to select this in folder, and here you can see it has different kind of text animation. Number 1, first I will apply this one. Let's play. Okay, Control Z. I will undo it, and if you want same animation at the start and the end, you need to apply in animation. First you need to select this one and apply this one. Now you have animation, and now you have text animation in one. And if you want same animation at the end, then you need to go to out folder, go inside and select this one, the first one, same numbering 0101, and apply it over here. Let's play. Okay, in this way you can create text animation. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this one from here. Let's move on. The next one is cinematic text animation. I will use only one preset from here. The first one, text animation 01, inside and apply it over here. Let's play. If you want to create out animation from this text, just go to out folder and select this one. Let's play, and now you have same blur animations. Okay, let's move on again. The next one is glitch text animations, and check it now. Let's play. Okay, Control Z, and let's try the next one. Next one is slide text animation. Let's try this one. So I will apply only one presets from every folder, and here you can see it has very cool animation. Okay, let's close it up. The last one is smooth text animation, and go inside and let's try this one. Let's play. Okay, now you have smooth text animation. So now you have 500 text animation inside this folder. You can use different kind of text animation, and you can easily animate your text inside Premiere Pro. Let's close it up. And the next one is I have character animation pro gamers. Inside this folder you can see fun, slides and wiggle and zoom animation. So with this help you can animate your video clips or images. Okay, so let's move on. And now I have these images and I have also these images. First I will go back, and from here I will import these images over here. Okay, let's try it on it. Right click, scale to frame size. Let's go back. So now I will animate these images with these presets. So first go inside this folder, which is character animation pro gamers SP. Inside this folder you can see 3 more folders. The first one is fun, slides and wiggle and zoom animation. So first I will try this fun animation. Inside this folder you can see it has a lot of animation. You can try one by one. So first I will try this one, which is 3D pan left. Okay, first select this one and drag and drop on your clip. Okay, let's play. Now you have this kind of animation. So it's very time saving. With this help you can save your ton of times and you can create very fast animation inside Premiere Pro. Let's try another one, and here you can see this is a stretch height one. Let's try this one. Okay, and the next one is slide animations. Here you can see inside this slides folder you can see 4 more folders, and down animation, left animation, right animation and up animation. So I will apply one animation from every folder. So let's try first one. First is down. Let's select this one and drag and drop on our clip. Let's play. Now you have this kind of animations. By the way, you can also customize this animation from this. Inside this effect control panel you can see here are keyframes. If you want slow animation, okay, you can move these keyframes forward like so, and let's play. And now you have slow animation. If you want more fast animation, you can make it closer like so, then you have fast animation. Okay, in this way you can easily customize your animation from here. I'm gonna delete this from here. Let's try the next one. The next folder is left animation. With this help you can create left animation of your images video clip. You can also try it on your text. So let's try this one. Okay, let's play. Now you have left animation. Okay, you can also apply these effects on your text, and you can animate your text with these presets, right? Control C, undo. Now close it up. Next folder is up animation. First I will apply this one, slide up fast. Let's play. Control C. Let's try it on our images. Let's try this one. This is the shaky rotate up. Let's play and let's see. Okay, let's close it up. And now I have one more folder. Here you can see Essential Presets Pro Gamer SB. Inside this folder you can see 4 more folders. The first one is basic. Let's go inside basic. And here you can see different kind of animations. For example, you have drop shadow. So first I will try this one, which is 3D, and let's play. It's not creating animation, it is only creating the perspective of your images videos. Okay, and here you can see it has a lot of presets. So let's try this one, mosaic blur. Let's play. So okay, it is only creating effects. It is not creating the animation, just it is creating only effects on your images, on your videos. And next one, audio. It has a lot of different kinds of audio presets. You can apply these presets on your audio and make your audio fantastic and more crispy and interesting. And the next folder is zoom. Let's try this one. Okay, now you can create zoom in animation, zoom out animation and small zoom in. So I will apply only this zoom in animation. Let's try this one. Let's play. And now you have zoom in animation. Okay, and here you can see it has a lot of presets. You can try one by one. The next folder is video animations. So with this help you can create a video animations. For example, I want to create turbulent wave animation. Just select this preset turbulent wave and drag and drop it on your clip. And now you can see you have amazing interesting wave animation. The next one is you can also apply these effects on your text, right? Now I have one more presets, which is gaming subtitles. Okay, and inside this folder you can see it has a lot of different kinds of text animation. For example, pop-in animation, which is basic animation. So let's try this one. Let's try this one, pop-in basic. Let's play. This is a pop-in animation. Control C. So in this way you can create your text animation, images animations and video animations inside Premiere Pro, and you can save your ton of times. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please like and share this video with your followers and subscribe my channels. And if you have any kind of question, you can comment below. I will definitely reply that your questions. So I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.